So, hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be a solution-based one instead of a design related issue. So, for the past how many months now? I think for past weeks now, I've been having issues, or most of us have been having issues with our Adobe product, especially Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesigns. Most Photoshop, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, InDesign. So, most of our Adobe products have been giving us these issues. First of all, it shows you a prompt that you should accept the terms because you are using an Adobe product which is not genuine. Then after you accept, they give you 5 days, and 5 days counts down to when the app is being disabled. So I do not have that screen record now, but I'm going to show you how I did mine and how I'm able to use all my Adobe products, and they are working very well for me. I have all my Adobe products here, Premiere Pro, from Premiere Pro to my Photoshop, InDesign, and also Adobe Illustrator, which is one of my main design software. So let's get straight into how you can disable this prompt and begin to work with your Adobe product using your internet connection. So one of the ways actually you can stay out from this prompt is to stay away from the internet, but working online it's necessary because you have to get resources and the working resources and probably communicating with your clients using or via the internet. So I'm going to show you how you can use it comfortably without turning off your internet connection. So let's get straight into it. So now, first of all, you have to go to your Defender. So something first here is you look at where your Windows Defender is. If you are using Windows 10, then you can locate your Windows Defender here. Then you could go to your Windows Defender. So in this case, let me make it big. So now you could see firewall and network protection. You click on firewall and network protection and you go to advanced settings. You accept it. If it gives you the prompt, or if it doesn't give you, you could skip that. So it shows you, takes you to this interface where you have the Windows Defender firewall, advanced security, and local computer. So what we'll be doing is we'll be blocking Photoshop or Adobe products from accessing the internet, and we have to do that by locating where it's being stored in our file. So let's just go straight into it. So we will go first to the inbound rule, which is the download, and the outbound rule is the upload. So we'll go to the download first. I've already done mine already, but I'm going to show you how you're going to do yours. So you go to a new rule, you create a new rule, and in that new rule, you select a program that we're working with the program here. And you click on next, and you select the part where your file is being stored. So to select the part, let me show you how you're going to do that. You go to start, then you choose any of the soft Adobe products. You have to do it for every single product one by one. You choose, you right click on it, and you go to more, and you go to file location. Now, in file location, you also right click on it, and you also go to open file location. And this is your where your software is being located on your PC, or where the files are being stored. So you click on this address here, is actually called an address. Then you copy the contents here. Do not click on anything else, just copy Control C, which is to copy here, or you could just copy manually, and you come here and you paste it. So once you paste it, you could go to next, then you block all connections, because here is to allow all connections to that particular file storage, or to where your files are being stored in that folder. So now we'll be blocking it, and we'll press next, and we'll ensure that when we are connected to any using any method to a private or to a public router or a public device, we ensure that it's been blocked in all forms. So next, and you give it a name. So you could call it Adobe Illustrator, and you said finish, and now automatically it's been added to the inbound Adobe Illustrator. So now you could go to the out. You have to also do it for the outbound rule, so it stops it from being uploaded. So what do? Go to new rule, go to programs, click on next, you select where the program part is, paste it. We have already copied it before, remember. So you go to next, you block all connections, and you say next, and you ensure that all are ticked. Then you say next, and you say Adobe Illustrator, and you say finish, and that's how you can block them. So if you do that for all the Adobe products you have, and all of them will be blocked, and you'll be able to use it while connected to the internet. So I was having these issues, but now my Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, my Premiere Pro, and my encoder all are working perfectly well using the internet. So I will see you guys in the next one, in our next video. If you know you like this video, you could share it, you could give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you all, guys.